Welcome to Best Choice. The best ET-2750 Ecotank is probably one of the most innovative printers on the market, especially for those tired of constantly replacing ink cartridges. This all-in-one printer boasts a revolutionary Ecotank system, allowing you to print thousands of pages with the included ink bottles. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and value of the Epson ET-2750, helping you decide if it's the right printer for your home or small office needs. Number 5. Epson Ecotank ET-2750 Wireless All-in-One Printer. This printer offers a cartridge-free experience. It comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box, saving you time and money. With the included ink, you can print up to 6,500 pages in black or 5,200 pages in color. That's equivalent to about 30 ink cartridge sets. You can save up to 80% on ink with low-cost replacement bottles. The supersized ink tanks are also easy to fill. It's easy to print wirelessly from your iPad, iPhone, Android tablets, and smartphones. It also includes Wi-Fi Direct. This printer features auto two-sided printing, which can save you up to 50% of your paper supply. It also has a maximum print resolution of 5760 by 1440 optimized DPI. Epson strongly recommends using genuine Epson ink to ensure optimal print quality and performance. Using non-genuine ink could cause damage not covered under the printer's warranty. What we like? This printer offers cartridge-free printing, saving you money and hassle. It also features easy wireless connectivity, allowing you to print from your mobile devices. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective printer for everyday use, this is a great choice. What people say? I love the borderless printing option. It really does print all the way to the edge of the paper with excellent quality. The ink is super easy to load, and will save us a bundle of money over the life of the printer. This scanner is crazy good. We were both impressed with how well and clear the scanned images are. Same with the copier. Number 4. Epson Ecotank ET-2750 Wireless All-in-One Printer. Is your family in need of a printer that is fast, affordable, and easy to use? This is the perfect solution. It is an innovative, cartridge-free printer that uses high-capacity, easily refillable ink tanks. This printer features high-capacity ink tanks, eliminating the need for tiny, expensive ink cartridges. The exclusive EcoFit ink bottles make filling easy and worry-free. You can save up to 90% with replacement ink bottles versus ink cartridges. That's enough to print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 pages in color. It is equivalent to about 90 individual ink cartridges. It comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box, and with every replacement ink set, you'll experience fewer out-of-ink frustrations. This means less worry and more printing. By using this Ecotank printer, you can help reduce the amount of cartridge waste ending up in landfills. It's an environmentally friendly choice. The printer utilizes unique micro-piezo heat-free technology, producing sharp text and impressive color photos and graphics on virtually any paper type. You'll be amazed by the quality. It also includes a high-resolution flatbed scanner and a color display for easy document copying and navigation. It is a versatile all-in-one solution. What we like? This printer features high-capacity ink tanks, eliminating the need for cartridges. You can save a lot on replacement ink. If you are looking for a basic home printer with scanning and copying capabilities, this is a great option. What people say? Printer quality is awesome. We did the setup and took our time with it, and it prints great. It's easy to use. The paper tray holds a good amount of paper, reducing the number of times needed to reload. I'm able to highlight immediately without smearing ink, and I've printed a decent amount and the black ink tank is still mostly full. It was incredibly easy to set up. The instructions were clear and easy to understand. The wireless setup worked without a hitch and the printer just works. The software is great, too. It detected new updates during the install and I grabbed the Epson Photo Plus. Number 3. Hiipoo T502 Ink Bottle Replacement for Epson Printer. Are you looking for a reliable ink replacement? This is the Hiipoo T502 ink bottle, designed for various Epson printers. It's a great choice for your everyday printing needs. This ink bottle is compatible with a wide range of Epson printers, including ET-2750, ET-2720, and many more. It's a direct replacement for your 502 ink bottles. Get more out of each bottle. You can print up to 7,500 pages with the black ink and 6,000 pages with the color inks, based on 5% coverage on A4 paper. This ensures long-lasting performance. The Hiipoo ink provides high-quality and brilliant results. Whether for office or home use, it delivers consistent and dependable printing. The product is ISO 9001 and MSDS certified. Rigorous testing is performed before delivery to guarantee the best printing quality. If you have any questions, please contact us. All messages will be answered within 24 hours, and our customer service team is always ready to help you. What we like. This refill ink bottle offers a high page yield, ensuring you can print more for less. It provides reliable performance for both home and office use. If you are looking for a cost-effective ink solution, this is a great choice. What people say. These ink refill bottles are specifically designed for use with Epson ET-2750 and ET-2760 printers, ensuring a seamless fit and reliable performance. The ink quality is exceptional. Despite being third-party refill bottles, the ink produces vibrant and consistent results, whether I'm printing documents, photos, or graphics. The bottles are equipped with precision tips that make refilling the ink tanks a breeze. Number 2. Epson Ecotank ET-2750 All-in-One Printer. Is your office always busy? This printer is fast, affordable, and easy to use. It has great features to meet your needs. This printer uses high-capacity, easily refillable ink tanks. You'll worry less about running out of ink with this innovative design. Save up to 90% on replacement ink compared to cartridges. It's enough to print thousands of pages, equivalent to many individual ink cartridges. Get up to 2 years of ink in the box. This means fewer out-of-ink frustrations for you and your office. By using this printer, you can help reduce cartridge waste. It's an eco-friendly choice for your office. It uses precision core heat-free technology and pigment black ink. It produces sharp text and impressive color photos on almost any paper. It features an auto document feeder, auto two-sided printing, and a 250 sheet paper tray. This ensures high productivity for your office. What we like. This printer is designed for busy offices, featuring an auto document feeder and fast printing speeds. It also offers robust paper handling capabilities. If you need a printer that can handle high-volume printing and scanning, this is the perfect option. What people say. It does an excellent job with standard printed pages and color graphics. The ink tanks are translucent and visible from the front of the printer. You can see exactly how much ink you have in each of the tanks. I have been using my Epson ET-2750 all through the COVID-19 period, or about a year. First of all, I was attracted by the cartridge-less ink feature. This is an incredible feature, as I recently added some ink after printing B&W and color for a year. Try that with cartridges. The Epson ink is not that expensive and adding ink is very simple. No mess. Thanks to Epson for that. Number 1. Epson Ecotank ET-2750 Wireless Color All-in-One Printer. This printer uses Epson's Claria ET Premium 6 color ink. It brings your cherished memories to life with vivid details and vibrant hues. Every nuance and emotion is captured with stunning clarity. Challenge your artistic boundaries with edge-to-edge printing. You can craft striking photos, flyers, or invitations that leave an indelible impression. Unleash your inner artist. This printer is versatile. You can print stunning photos, personalized gifts, or pro presentations on cardstock, envelopes, CDs, and DVDs. Ditch cartridges and embrace revolutionary ink savings. This printer offers a cost-effective solution for all your printing needs. Navigate printing like a pro with the user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen. It also offers Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct connectivity, allowing you to print from anywhere, anytime. What we like. This printer uses a 6-color ink system for stunning photo quality. It also offers edge-to-edge printing and a user-friendly touchscreen. If you like printing high-quality photos and creative projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The printer can be connected to your computer via a shared wireless or wired network or a primary tier USB link. You can also print from a thumb drive, USB memory stick, your camera's SD chip, wirelessly from a smartphone or tablet. The printer's output on plain paper, cardstock, and 3 different grades of photo paper has been absolutely perfect. Equally easy to connect to Wi-Fi. Even easier to set up. The correct drivers were downloaded automatically. A terrific screen on the right front of the printer. Large, bright, easy to use. 2 input trays at the front, one for 4x6 and 5x7 photo paper, the other for 8x11 paper of either type. Another input tray at the back. I use this on the relatively few occasions I print 8x11 photos, and I keep plain paper in the front tray. This is extremely convenient. When you send an item to the printer, it wakes up even if it's turned off. The output tray comes out automatically, no need to pull it. There is a button on the screen for pushing the output tray back in and closing the front. That bright tiltable front screen has every setting you need and is very intuitive. Everything I printed came out fine and quickly. The photos were equal to Canon's in quality, plus there is an Epson app for making further adjustments to them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.